How to add VBA code in Excel. Enable the Developer tab. Go to File, Options, click Customize ribbon. Under Main tabs, check Developer and click OK. Step 2. Open the VBA editor. Press Alt and F11 or click Developer. Go to Visual Basic to open the VBA editor and then insert a module. In the Project Explorer pane, right-click on your workbook, select Insert, Module. You'll see Module 1 appear. This is where you'll paste your code. And then type in any VBA code from here into the module. And the last step is to save as macro-enabled workbook. Press Ctrl+S and choose Excel macro-enabled workbook, Excel SM. This ensures your VBA code is stored and runnable. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.